Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This video, everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of rising bond stress in China ahead of their New Year holiday. But first, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose above the index level of 20,000 for the first time this morning. The gains have been attributed to enthusiasm for the new US administration's big spending plans for major infrastructure projects. However, a growing number of conservative congressional politicians are suddenly wary of the new direction. The number of American mortgage applications rose last week to their highest level in 7 months, even as borrowing costs also rose for the first time in 4 weeks. Interest rates on 30-year fixed-rate mortgages, the most widely held type of home loan there, now average 4.35%, up from 4.27% in the previous week. Rising interest rates hurt bond investors. Many thought the initial hurt would show up on Wall Street or London, but actually it is in China where real stress is playing out at present. They have a $3 trillion corporate debt market there, and paying the expected higher interest will prove too much for many in 2017. Record defaults are expected. In China, the pressure is resulting in much higher levels of fraud, which compounds the problems. In Japan, they've just posted a trade surplus, its first in 6 years. Lower oil prices help there. In Australia, real estate agent tactics are in the spotlight in Victoria, and officials there are cracking down, handing many agents big fines. The practice of underquoting is said to be widespread. And locally, the Auckland High Court is playing its part in helping a wealthy Malaysian family keep assets stolen from the 1MDB Sovereign Wealth Fund, thwarting US prosecutors from recovering matters in dispute. In New York, the US Treasury 10 yield has continued rising, it's now 2.53%. Oil prices are unchanged today, now just under $53.50 a barrel for the US benchmark, while the Brent benchmark is just under $55.50 a barrel. The gold price is lower, however, falling to $1,199 an ounce. And the New Zealand dollar is also unchanged from this time yesterday, holding its high level and will open again at 72.7 US cents. On the cross rates, we're at 96.1 Aussie cents, and against the euro, 67.7 euro cents. The TWI is still up at 78.1. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.